Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Make Progress. In this video, we are going to learn how to do multiplication in seconds. In the previous videos, we have seen a few multiplication tricks to do our calculations much faster. Let's see the other tricks in this video. Multiplication trick 6. Large number multiplication in a simple way. If you want to do multiplication of large numbers, if you have large numbers to multiply and one of the numbers is even, then we can use this trick. So let's see with an example. 24 into 125. Here we have an even number, that is 24. So we are going to subdivide this even number, that is 24, we are going to subdivide, and then we are going to do the multiplication. So let's see how we are going to do it. 24 is subdivided and then it is written as 12 into 250. Here we are subdividing the even number and the number beside it we are doubling. So next 12 is again subdivided. We get 6 into 500. 250 is doubled. So the answer will be 3 into 1000, that is 3000. See, it's very easy. We can do it in our mind. So let's see other example. 32 into 350. So 32 is subdivided since that is the even number we have. So that is 16 into 700. Again it is subdivided. 8 into 1400. So 8 into 1400 is 11200. So here is the answer. We can subdivide within our mind and can tell the answer directly without doing the multiplication and making it more complex. So making it simple, we are going to use this trick. So it will be very useful. Let's see the next trick, multiplication trick 7. To find the square of a number near to 100. For numbers less than 100. Let's see for numbers less than 100. And later we can see for numbers greater than 100. So let's see square of 98. So in order to find out the square of 98, that is 98 square, we are going to use a trick so that we could finish our calculation just in very few seconds. So let's see. 98 is 2 less than 100. So we are going to write 98 square is equals to, we are going to subtract 98 minus 2. Why? Because 98 is 2 less than 100. So we are going to subtract 98 and 2. That is 98 minus 2. And we are separating with a pipe symbol, that is the line. And then we are writing 2 square. In the next step, 98 minus 2 is 96 and 2 square is 4. Here I have already told we have to write it in 2-digit form. For most of the tricks we are writing in 2-digit form only. Always remember that. Though 2 square is only 4, but we have to write it as 04. So the answer will be 9604. So see how easy it is. See, if you think of it, just within 3 seconds, you will get the answer just within your mind. So let's see other examples. Let's see 97 square. So 97 is 3 less than 100. So we'll subtract 3 from 97. That is 97 minus 3 slash 3 square we'll be writing. So 97 minus 3 is 94 and 3 square is 9. But we have to write it as 09. Since we have to write it in 2-digit form, we are writing here as 09. So the answer will be 9409. Just remove the symbol in between them. Then we'll get the answer. So I think we don't need any paper to do this. Am I right? Yes. Let's see the other example. 94 square. 94 square is equals to, it is 6 less than 100. So subtract 6 from 94. slash 6 square. So 94 minus 6 is 88 and 6 square is 36. Here we got it in 2-digit form, so we doesn't need to add we doesn't need to place 0 before the number. So since we got it in 2-digit form already, and then here is the answer 8836. So 94 square is 8836. Let's see other examples so that we could understand the trick much better. Let's see 91 square. 91 is 9 less than 100. So subtract 9 from 91. So 91 minus 9 and 9 square we have to write aside. Then 91 minus 9 is 82. 9 square is 81. So the answer will be 8281. So 91 square is equals to 8281. Let's see 87 square. 87 is 13 less than 100. So 13 is subtracted from 87. 87 minus 13, and aside we will be writing 13 square. So 87 minus 13 is 74. 13 square is 169. See, if you observe here, we got the square of 13 as 169. We got it in 3 digits form. So in this case, that 1 is carried to the number left of it, that is 4. So 1 is carried towards 4. So the answer will be 7569. I think you have understood the trick. Here we got the 13 square as 169. Since it is in 3-digit form, we are going to take that 1 as a carry towards the number to its left, that is 4. So 1 is carried towards 4 and we got the answer as 7569. So let's go for the next trick, multiplication trick 8. We have seen the square of a number near to 100 for numbers less than 100. Now let's see for numbers more than 100. See, it's almost similar to the before trick what we have seen. See, for example, to find the square of 101. Since it is more than 100, we have taken 101. 101 square is equals to 101 plus 1 square. Okay. Here 101 is 1 more than 100. So we have to add 1 to this number. So in the before case, if you observe, we have subtracted the difference of the given number and 100 from the given number. So here the given number is 101. Since it is more than 100, we are going to add the difference of 100 and the given number. 101 plus 1 we are doing, and aside we are writing 1 square. So 101 plus 1 is 102 and 1 square is 1. But in order to write it in 2-digit form, we are writing as 01. So the answer is 10201. See how simple it is. So we can square in any number near to 100 very easily within just 3 seconds. So only just a minimum practice is required to do these type of tricks. So let's see 102 square. 102 is 2 more than 100. So add 2 to 102 and write 2 square aside. 102 plus 2 is 104. 2 square is 4. We have to write it in 2-digit form. So we are writing as 04 here. So combine all the numbers and write 10404. So the answer for 102 square is 10,404. If you go for other example, 104 square, let's try. 104 is 4 more than 100. So 4 is added to 104 and 4 square is written aside. So 104 plus 4 is 108. 4 square is 16. Since we got it in 2-digit form, we doesn't need to write a 0 beside 06. So the answer by combining all the numbers 10816. If we see 113 square, which is a little far away from 100, the difference between 113 and 100 is 13. So 13 is added. So 113 plus 13 13 square is written at aside because it is 13 more than 100. So 126 and 13 square is 169. See, I already told you we have to write this as 2-digit form only. Here we got 3 digits. So 1 should be carried to the number left of it. That is 6. So let's see. In the next step, we have to carry 1 towards its left number, that is 6. So the answer will be 12769. We are just adding the 1 to the number left of it, that is 6. So the answer is 12769. Let's see 114 square. It is 14 away from 100. So add 14 to 114. 114 plus 14 and 14 square. 128 slash 196. So here also we have it in 3-digit form. So 1 should be carried towards its left number, that is 8. It's not 2, it's 8. So now if we see in the next step, 1 is carried and adding it 12996. So 114 square is 12996. If you observe these tricks are very much easier and they can be done in our mind and we can get the answer in just 3 seconds. So it's better use these tricks so that we could save our time. So be smart and work smart. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel. Please do like and share this video. Click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Thank you and let's see the next multiplication tricks in the coming videos.